How to lock any apps on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock any apps on an Android device. As you can see, when I try to open Snapchat, it's open automatically as the app lock is not enabled. So in this video, I'll take you through the step-by-step process of setting up app lock on Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings on your phone. And once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the apps. And now inside the app section, you will find the option called app lock. Simply tap on that. And if you don't see it, you can also use the search bar in the settings. Now, once you are inside the app lock, you'll see the option to turn it on. Simply tap on it and set a pattern, PIN or password, whichever you prefer. For this video, I'll set a pattern. And once I have set the pattern, I'll be asked again to enter the same pattern. And after that, you will see a list of all the apps on your phone. Simply select the one that you want to lock. For example, I will lock the bunch of apps, and once selected, simply tap on the Use App Lock button. You can also turn on the fingerprint option to verify. And once you're done enabling the app lock on the built-in apps, you can also enable the app lock on the third-party apps. And once you're done enabling it, your apps will be protected with the app lock. And now let's check if it works. And I will try opening the Snapchat, and it asks for the passports. The same happens when I try to open other apps that I have set the app lock. And that's it. That's how you can successfully lock your apps on your Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.